Welcome to Easy Learning.
Exercise number 200. The rate of premium depends on the morale of the risk. Full stop. In the matter of motor car insurance, there are considerations of damage by fire and damage to tires, comma, and in all cases, the registered number of the car must be given. Full stop. Then there is indemnity for accidents in connection with lifts, comma, cranes, and hoist in which the situation of the cranes, comma, and the situation of the lifts are of much importance. Full stop. Personal accident insurance may be covered by an ordinary accident policy or a combined accident and disease policy. First up, fire insurance covers damages to the premises by fire, comma, and among other precautions, automatic sprinklers are insisted upon where there are other than incombustible materials. Full stop. Life insurance is often associated with a medical examination and policies are declared void and the responsibility of the company ceases if material facts are hidden by the insured. Full stop.